Alright, so the motor's out. You see the bulkhead here. So I gotta take the fuel pump off, the CDI. Actually, I'm gonna take the whole air cleaner box off. This shroud cover assembly, the seat, gas tank, everything. Take it right down. So I can repaint the bulkhead. See how it looks in there right now. Pretty dirty, grimy. It's a good 20 spark plugs that are down in that area there. So all gotta be cleaned up, power wash, degreased. And here's the motor. Only 600 miles in this since the rebuild. It's real clean. Gotta clean the shredded belt out of the primary clutch. Oil lines are still good. The harness here, paint's still good on it too, real good. These flanges are getting a little dry rotted, so I'll probably replace those. But that's it. Motor's out, and now strip down the rest of the tunnel for degrease, repaint, move all the wiring harnesses and all the different lines.
What's your day?